Acute angle. An angle whose measure lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Right angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 90 degrees is called a right angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle. The measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. Reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called the reflex angle. Complementary angle. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angle. Here the sum of angle A and angle B is 90 degrees. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. Adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, common arm, and their non-common arms are on the different sides of the common arm. In the given figure, angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent angles. Ray BD is their common arm and point B is their common vertex. Ray BA and BC are non-common arms. When the two angles are adjacent, then their sum is always equal to the angle formed by the two non-common arms. Thus, angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC. Linear pair of angles. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then their non-common lines are in the same straight line and two adjacent angles form a linear pair of angles. In the given figure, angle QPR and angle QPS form a linear pair of angles because angle QPR plus angle QPS is equal to 180 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines AB and CD intersect at a point O, the vertically opposite angles are formed. Here are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. One pair is angle AOD and angle BOC, and the second pair is angle AOC and angle BOD. The vertically opposite angles are always equal. So, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD.